Today, what's cooking in the kitchen are easy face masks that will help your glow back, to get your glow back on this winter. Two things that always accompany the winter season: hot drinks and dry, tired, flaky skin. Well, if you're struggling with the skin issue, then don't worry, I got you. It doesn't have to be your experience. Dry skin in the winter, not for us. We can beat that thing. So I listed some of the simple and best and easy winter face masks, so you can do it like under 5 minutes and just lay down and relax. And it's not even the best part. You find these face masks and packs also treat your skin, and your concern. So it's not just easy and fun, but it's also working, and that's what we love. So the first one is not even to prepare, it's one ingredient, and this is coconut milk. Yes, one of the moisturizing I love is coconut milk. It's a high fat content that seals in moisturize and really help to improve your skin texture and elasticity. And I also have a blog, I will link it below, with some coconut milk benefits and how to use it. So it's very simple. You can either make your coconut milk when you grate coconut and blend it with a little water, and then squeeze it with a cloth, or you can buy a full organic, like without additive coconut milk, which is what I have here. What you do, super complicated. You take a cotton pad, moment, dip it in the coconut milk, so like this, and spread it on your skin gently. Better to do it a little bit lay down also, and then because otherwise it's all over the floor. Lay down, relax for 20 minutes and rinse it with water. You can do it daily, and if you don't have 20 minutes daily, you can do it for 10 minutes. It's adding on the effect. So that was easy, right? The second one is honey face pack for the winter. So dry, flaky skin loves honey, and the best way to leverage its benefit is mixing it with some rose water, which I love. Both those soothing ingredients can repair and nourish your skin and leave you with a radiant glow. So what do we need? We need 1 tablespoon of organic raw honey and 1 tablespoon of rose water. So let me get it to the camera. And then you take these 2 ingredients and you mix them. So you can decide how thick you like it, or less, or whatever. But here I got this. So it smells, oh my god, like honey and rose. Come on, it's amazing. And then you can with a brush, you can use, like, I don't know, old makeup brush, or just invest in a face mask brush, and then you're gonna apply it on your skin. Leave it for 10, oh my god, the smell. Leave it for 10 minutes and wash. C'est tout. That was also simple, right? The third one is aloe vera face pack for the winter. Aloe vera is multitasking ingredient. It not only helps with dryness, but it also helps to reduce acne and acne scars, and of course deep hydration. So it can also help pigmentation and dull skin. Aloe vera. So what do we need? We take 2 tablespoons of good aloe vera gel, organic one without additive, sorry. You take again the rose water, a little bit. And then oil, like you can use the simple almond oil. I like to use argan oil, but just like half a spoon, let's say. And that's it. Mix it. If you happen to have vitamin E, you can drop it in, but it's still nice as it is, with rose water and some oil, and an oil, which again can be almond, even olive, though olive is a bit heavy, argan oil, whatever you have. And then you apply it on your skin and leave for 15 minutes and wash. I love how the skin always get this glow immediately after I use aloe vera masks. It's really magical and simple, so make sure you have aloe vera at home always. Okay, next one is a coffee pack. If you had if you made yourself a nice cup of coffee, don't throw away the ground beans, because coffee can really energize your skin, give it this amazing glow and boost, and make the blood circulation go better, and it's antioxidant, a good coffee. So we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, and you take vegan milk. I'm again using the coconut milk, but you can use I don't know, whatever you like, almonds, and you mix it to a paste. So another good smelling stuff. You can decide how thick you want it. Again, you can add more coffee or more milk, whatever you want. Apply it on your face, relax for 15-20 minutes, and wash with water. Now, my best tip, word of advice, the best treatment that will take your skin from dull to glowy, no doubt, hands down, it's the Ultra Hydra Facial. This treatment is the ultimate 6-step to your beauty that includes deep cleanse, removing all the dead skin cells layer with the peeling, rejuvenating, detoxing, firming and toning, and tons of hydration infusion. So we use the scrubbing, we use the vacuum to deep cleanse, we use ultrasonic to create collagen and elastin in the skin, we use radio frequency to stimulate the muscles under the skin, we use cold therapy to close the pore and give this beautiful glow, and we use infusion of oxygen and hydration. So this is like and an option to add the LED light mask. So you step out like your skin, long lasting, beautiful results. This is the thing. I swear by it, my clients swear by it. You have to try it. So I hope you enjoy our cooking time together. And if you apply the mask, tell me how it goes.